Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about IPLcalc.com. So before that, how many possible options in IPL League Series? Assume that there is going to be only two teams, Team A and Team B, and only one match. In that case, there is going to be only two possible options. Either Team A can win on the first match or Team B can win on the second match. If there are two matches, then there is going to be four possible options. In the first option, Team A wins on the both matches. In the second option, Team A win on the first match, Team B win on the second match. In third option, Team B wins on the first match, Team A wins on the second match. In the fourth option, Team B wins on the both the matches. Similarly, if the number of matches are increased, then the number of possible options also getting doubled. For three number of matches, it's going to be 8. For 4, it's a 16. 5, it's a 32. 6, it's a 64. For 7 match, it's going to be 128 possible options. So this is the formula to the power of n. N is the total number of matches. For 3 matches, it's going to be 2 the power of 3. Then it's going to be 2 into 2 into 2, it's going to be 8. So in IPL, we have about 70 matches. So 2 into power of 70, it's going to be this huge number. So the value of it is like giving 1 lakh crore rupees to everyone in India. And if you are summing it up, then it's going to be close to this number. And it's very difficult to process all the 70 matches because the number of possible options are more. So IPL.com is going to start from after the match 35th. So after the match 35th, the remaining matches are 35. So total number of possible options are like 3.4 thousand crores. What IPL.com provide is like it's going to provide the probabilities for each position for each team and the detailed about how the next match is going to impact each team's position and the number of match required to win for each team for each position, and the probabilities are based on the point and the run rate because sometimes multiple teams can share the same points. So in that case, the position is determined based on the run rate, and the user also can choose the next upcoming matches result, and then they can navigate to the next level. We can look into this more in the next slide. IPLcalc.com website is going to look like this. This is sample demo data. So in the top section, it's going to display the number of points for each team with the run rate. And in the position section, you can choose which position you want to see. Or if you want to see for all position, you can choose all. And here you can choose all or select a specific team. And the show option is used for either for point or run rate based. By default, it's going to be all. So here, the current section displays the total number of possibilities. Current section is displaying like possibilities after the match 35th. So after the match 35th, as I have shown in the previous slide, it's going to be 3.4 thousand crores. So with the CSK with the current 0.6, and there's going to be 1.4% of possible options of 3.4 crores. So it's going to be about 48 crores. So on click of this link, it displays the detailed breakdown, like for to get into the position based on the run rate. So for a total point 16, and there's a probability for about 11 lakhs. So it's close to 0. And with the total points 18, it requires 6 win from the remaining 7 matches. It's going to be about 30 crores. It's a 0.89%. For total points 620, it's going to be about 0.51 probabilities in the remaining matches. So when you click on this link, it will show the results of each individual matches after 35th match. So with this results, CSK can get into the position number 1 with this point 16. And the next one is based on the run rate. So the first one is based on the point. So it means like the CSK is having the highest point compared to all other teams. And the second one is like CSK is sharing the points. So the number one position is determined based on the run rate. So on click of this link, it shows the breakdown in the point wise, like a total points required and the current probability percentage based on the points. It's like a detailed breakdown for each point with the percentage. So when you click on this, and it shows like the results of the next 35 matches. And here you can see like a CSK is sharing the point with other teams. So the number one position is determined based on the run rate. So here it shows the next match. So the next match is between RCP and KKR. In the next match, if RCP wins, then it's going to reduce the percentage for CSK for the number one position. But if KKR wins, then it's going to increase the percentage for the CSK team. So after the next match, 36, the total number of remaining possible options will come from 3.4 to 1.7 thousand crores. So for so if the RCP wins, it's going to be like about 1%, so which is 17 crores. If KKR wins, it's going to be about 30 crores. And this is approximate like rough sample data. Similarly, if you click on the link of the each team, then it shows like what will happen if the particular team wins this number of matches in their remaining matches. So if the CSK wins 7 of the remaining matches, it can get into the position number one based on the point. That's going to be about 65%. And with the run rate, it can come to the position one. There's a probability with about 26.82%. The same way, like it can get into the second position with a run rate, like about 7%. With the point, it's like about 7%. With the run rate, there's about 28%. The same way, it can get into the position three and position four based on the run rate and point. So here the top one, two means like a top two position, there is about 97% chances that it can get into the top two positions if they are winning all of the remaining 7 matches. And they can come into the position 3 to 4. There is only slight chance, like about 2% is there. As I mentioned, like IPLcall.com will be live from after 35th match. So it's on April 25th. Thanks for watching. Bye.